So here we are with Andy Burnham, the Mayor of Greater Manchester, former MP of Wigan and the former Health Secretary. Good evening, Andy.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm well, thank you, yeah. Good to be here.
Had another hectic day dealing with Manchester's solutions and problems?
Yeah, it's a lot to deal with, but it's a great job and I'm glad to be in it. I don't spend 1 minute of it regretting not being in Westminster. I think I'm in the right job at the right time, so it's great.
Well, you're in the right Westminster, the Northern Powerhouse.
Yeah, well, we're still waiting for it to become a reality, but hopefully it will. But we're waiting for the government to give us the investment that they promised, but hopefully that will be coming and then we'll be on the way.
Hint, hint.
Yeah.
Great, so we're here today to talk about the National Health Careers Conference that's happening in Manchester on the 7th of October, on Saturday. And it's the first time anything like this has been designed or hosted in the UK. So we were recently on BBC Manchester talking about it. So it'd be great to have your thoughts on the conference.
Well, I think it's the right idea at the right time, because Brexit, wherever we think about it, will pose challenges for the National Health Service in terms of workforce. And as a country, we will have to get better in the next 10 years at training more of our own doctors and nurses, and we'll have to make it easier for young people to find a route through after school, through university, into the NHS. So this is something that I take a great interest in, and I think we need to make it easier for people to make that progress onto the ladder and work in the NHS. You know, the scrapping of the nursing bursary, the trebling of tuition fees has made it harder for people from less well-off backgrounds to nurse or to become doctors, and we need to open up access for them. So this is a great initiative. Happy to give it my support, and I really look forward to seeing the conclusions of it. Overall, I think we need to do more of this to help young people work in our NHS.
Definitely look forward to seeing you there if you can make it. Bring your kids along. There's an actual operating theatre being set up. There'll be a semi-synthetic cadaver post-mortem examination.
Oh, you're really selling it now.
There's an ECG, you can get your ECG done, you know, all that stress. There's be loads of clinical workshops. We've got 4 hubs with the GMC, Royal Colleges, Cambridge Medical School, UCL Imperial, UCLan, Bradford, loads of people there.
Well, some really big names supporting the conference, and you know, I think this signals a new appetite amongst universities and NHS bodies to rethink how we train our workforce of the future, and I think we need to be more creative at giving people different routes through. You know, I think this is something that, I say, comes along at the right time, and maybe we need to sort of break down some of the old established ways of thinking and really open our minds to new routes into the NHS.
Definitely really looking forward to working on the apprenticeship pathways with you as well, for young people in Manchester.
Great.
Great, Andy. All the best.
Thank you.